In this video, we will learn how you can automatically add details in Google Sheet when contact is created in fresh proposals. So let's say you want every time a client contact is created in fresh proposals, its details like the client details and the company details should be added as a new row in Google Sheets. So we are going to automate this entire process using Pabbly Connect. Come to my screen to see how we do this. To automatically add details in Google Sheets when a client contact is created in fresh proposals, let us first go to Pabbly's website. You can see the landing page of Pabbly. On the top right, you can see two options, sign in and sign up free. Well, if you sign up free, you will get free tasks every month. So do not forget to sign up. Since we already have an account, we will just sign in. Pabbly Connect. On top right, you will see a Create Workflow button. It will ask you to name. We will simply write Fresh Proposals to Google Sheets. Now it will show you two windows, Trigger and Action. Trigger is when this happens, Action says do this. So our entire automation would work on these two steps, trigger and action. Let us understand this with the help of an example. A trigger can be when a payment is made. An action can be send a confirmation message to the user. In our case, a trigger can be when a client contact is created in fresh proposals. The action can be add the contact details of that client in Google Sheets. So let us begin and select Fresh Proposals as our trigger application. For the trigger event, we are going to select here Client Contact Created, like you can see here. So there will be two triggers, Client Created and Client Contact Created. We will go with Client Contact Created. It triggers when a new client's contact is created. So let us connect, add new connection, and you will see it needs an API key over here. So for that, we will first have to log into our Fresh Proposals account as it is mentioned in the help text. And we are already logged in. And then we will have to follow this path from integration to Pabbly. Alright, so I will take you to my Fresh Proposals account and you can see this is my dashboard over here. These are my recent activities. Now I'll straight away come to the left hand side and you will see integrations. Then on top center, you will find Pabbly. Now, you will see it has generated this key over here. Let us copy this key, come back to Pabbly and paste it here, save, and you will see it's connected. So now we'll just click on save and send test request and you'll see it is waiting for response. So now we will do a test submission. We will go to our Fresh Proposals account and we try to create a dummy client contact over there. So to check if Fresh Proposals is connected with Pabbly. Now let us quickly go to our Fresh Proposals and on the left hand side you will see clients option. Just above integrations you will see clients. Click there. And now you will see here these are my clients. These are my client list over here. Now on top you will see add client. So I'm going to give the client details here. So you will see I have given some details here, company name that is SK Firms, then the company's address here, then the company's city, the city, country in which the company is located, then the official phone number. So I'll click on add and you'll see it's processing. Okay, so the company's information has been saved and now we have to give the details of the client over here. And you will see we have also added the client details here, that is Mr. Trials Dummy, the email address and the contact number. And since this is just for testing purpose, I have given names, I've used such names like Trials and Dummy. So let me now save it. Okay, and you will see client contact added successfully. Now I will take you to my Pabbly and see if it is able to capture the response. And before even I could complete the line, Pabbly captured the response. You can see here the company name, SK Firms, then the company address. All these details are here. The city, Bhopal, the zip code. If you scroll down, you will then see client's first name here, then the client's last name, then client's email and contact number. So this means we have successfully integrated our fresh proposals with Pabbly. Now on to our action step. We will select your Google Sheets. The action event, you can select add new row. This integration is so simple that it can even be done by a person of non-technical knowledge. So you can easily give it a try. Now let us connect. Add a new connection and connect with Google Sheets. So now I'm going to select my account here. Since I was already logged into my account, I will not have to give my credentials. I will just continue. And authorization successful. It says connected. So here you will find the spreadsheets that I've created in my Google Sheets. You can see all these spreadsheets. So I will be working on fresh proposals client data. I want every time a contact is created in fresh proposals, its details should be added in this spreadsheet, fresh proposals client data. I'll show you here. This is my spreadsheet. And you can see I've created these fields: company name, client email, and client contact. These are the details I will be needing. So coming back to Pabbly, and you will see the same fields you can see here. So now let us map the company name. We'll take it from fresh proposals. Right on top you can see company name, that is SK Firms. But you must be thinking, where are we getting these fresh proposals details here in Google Sheets section? So for that, I will take you to step 1, where we integrated fresh proposals with Pabbly, did a test submission, added a dummy contact, and Pabbly captured the contact details here. The response over here. So Pabbly has brought exactly same response, same details here in the next step in the Google Sheets. So now let us map the company name. We'll take it from fresh proposals, and right on the top you can see SK Firms. We'll map it. Scroll down, we'll find the client name. Go to fresh proposals and search using name, and you will get the first name here. Trials. Since I want full name of my client, I'm just going to give a space. Again, go to fresh proposals and pick the last name. I'll search using last for quick results, and here is the last name, dummy. So now scrolling down, it needs client email. So let's see if we have client's email in fresh proposals response. Let us search using email, and you will find here the contact email, try@pabblytudes.com. Now client contact, in a similar way we will map it from fresh proposals. So let us search using number, and you will find client's contact number. So we have mapped in all the fields here. You can see just an interesting thing about mapping, that once these mapped in fields you can see here, company name, client email, and client contact, these mapped in fields from next time will automatically be updated. So what will happen is, the next time a new contact is created in fresh proposals here and the response is captured. So here in Google Sheets section, the company name, these mapped in fields, all the mapped in fields, company name, client name, email, contact, these mapped in fields will automatically pick the new data. They will automatically be updated, and you will not have to do it manually. So now let us just click on save and send test request. And you will see we've received the response here, the table, range, and other details over here. Now let me quickly take you to my Google Sheet, this fresh proposal sheet, client data, and you will see the details have been added here. The company name, client email, and client contact. So this means we have successfully integrated our Google Sheets and fresh proposals using Pabbly Connect. I hope this video was helpful for you. For more such videos, you can subscribe to our channel on YouTube. For further queries, you can visit forum.pabbly.com, and you can also check our pricing details at www.pabbly.com.